Finetune with packages. Hello, let's get started. Press Ctrl+Shift+P and launch a search box. Type install and search for install package control. This package is installed in order to install additional packages which will enhance your development environment. Once installed, press again Ctrl+Shift+P and search for a new package. Control Install Package. Clicking on it will launch a second search box which hosts all possible packages you can add to Sublime text. The first package we will install is Bootstrap for autocomplete. Press Ctrl+Shift+P again and search for the second package as well. This package is called emmet. Once installed, change your coding window from plain text to HTML. In order to see what functionality both packages add to our window, press an exclamation mark and hit Tab. A basic boilerplate of a HTML document has been added automatically. To see what emmet has in store for you, type li × 5 and hit Tab. Add even CSS classes at once. li.myTest × 3 and again Tab. Emmet is a great package to speed up your coding. Look at their website for additional shortcuts at docs.emmet.io. Now hit Ctrl+Shift+P again and install our last package, HTML, CSS and JavaScript Prettify. This package will align your CSS and JavaScript code. Once installed, click Tools, HTML, CSS, JavaScript Prettify, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+H to align your code.